What's up, everybody? This is Keith Rainville here, the lead guy. I have some great information to share with you today on how to send bulk email for completely free, my friends, okay? So if you're like me and you're a professional, you verify your emails before you send them out. I do that all the time, and that's actually a paid service, okay, for quality email verification. Now, I use this service here for my verifying my email. I also do it on another system as well. But I use it on this service because they allow me to send bulk email every single day by the thousands, no limits, for absolutely free. Now, this just isn't some just easy to use bulk email system where it's just send and that's it. This system actually has multiple triggers on it where you can actually set real sophisticated campaigns and use this service, again, absolutely free. Guys, this is one of my top secret ways that I send bulk email, and now I'm sharing with you this information today, okay? This is actually inside my course, the paid information that people get from me inside the course. As a matter of fact, the link is above. But guys, check this out. Here's some nuggets for you. I'm dropping some ton of value here for you. Let me go in and show you how to use and set up an email drip campaign using this particular software, okay? So guys, we're going to go over here, set up a new campaign. Okay, very simple. This is actually one of my new accounts. I have multiple accounts here. And it's very simple. We put in our list up top, we drag over our email, and we start building our drip campaign. You notice I mentioned to you that there are triggers. So if a person opens your email or doesn't open your email, you can actually go in here and set those triggers. You can also set delays and set goals for each campaign. It's that simple, guys. Send bulk email for free using this particular software, guys. I hope you get some value out of the video. Check out my course link above. And if you want to use this particular software to send your bulk email, click on the link below. Okay, guys. Hey, thanks for watching.